Hi, my name is Santi. I'm here with another wellness tip of the week. We consume a lot of different foods on a day-to-day basis. Some that's great for us, some not so good. Paying attention to the amount of calories a product contains is not enough to keep us healthy and in shape. Next time you're out and about or at the supermarket, think twice before buying any of the following products. Ramen is the quintessential college meal, but this economical snack is packed with tons of sodium and trans fat. 35 cents will pay for your meal, but 35 minutes won't be enough to burn all of the calories you've consumed from this bad boy. A large tub of movie theater popcorn can contain between 400 to 1200 calories and more than 30 grams of fat. This is equivalent of eating 2 Big Macs. Think twice before you ask for the upgrade on your next trip to the movies. Just because it's diet doesn't mean that it's healthy. Aspartame, the artificial sweetener that replaces sugar, has been found to have side effects that include heart palpitations, seizures, and are you ready? Weight gain. That Starbucks coffee might taste delicious on your way to work in the morning, but if you're calorie conscious, you're going to be paying for it later. The venti mocha has over 550 calories per serving and 15 grams of fat. You'd have to run the equivalent of 2 5Ks in order to get rid of all those calories. Knowing what's in the food that we consume daily is important to make sure we're making healthy and smart decisions that affect our everyday life. That's all for now. We'll see you next time.